Hi. Welcome to another edition of Stephen's Advantage and Advantage Scientific Educational Videos. Today's topic is care and maintenance. Thermally fused laminate and high-pressure laminate surfacing. Proper care and maintenance of TFL and HPL surfacing will bring years of quality performance. Everyday cleaning of our products is as simple as a quick wipe with a damp sponge. TFL and HPL resist muddy fingerprints, coffee spills, and so much more. Be sure to read and follow the recommended care and cleaning procedures. To clean the surface, use a damp cloth or sponge and a mild soap or detergent. Difficult stains such as coffee or tea can be removed using a mild household cleaner or detergent and a soft bristled brush. Repeating is necessary. If a stain persists, use a paste of baking soda and water and apply with a soft bristled brush. Light scrubbing for 10 to 20 strokes should remove most stains. Although baking soda is a low abrasive, excessive scrubbing or exerting too much force could damage the decorative surface, especially if it has a gloss finish. Stubborn stains that resist any of the previous cleaning methods may require the use of undiluted household bleach or nail polish remover. Apply the bleach or nail polish remover to the stain and let stand no longer than 2 minutes. Rinse thoroughly with warm water and wipe dry. This step may be repeated if the stain appears to be going away and the color of the laminate has not been affected. Prolonged exposure of the laminate surface to bleach will cause discoloration. Hot pans and heat-producing appliances, such as electric skillets, when set directly upon countertops, can mar the product's beauty. Always use a heat shield, hot pad or trivet. Bleach full strength will damage laminate if left on for more than 20 minutes to an hour. However, a 10% bleach to water solution is used routinely to disinfect laminate tops, 10% bleach and 90% water ratio. Apply the solution, then wipe the surface dry as you go. Deep textures may require a little more drying to assure the liquid solution is gone. Never leave the bleach bottle with a wet bottom sitting on the laminate. The full-strength container needs to be stored in the cabinet interior with a dry bottom. Acidic or abrasive cleaners can damage laminate surfaces. Do not use them. Drain cleaners containing lye will permanently damage any laminate surface. If you spill a drain cleaner, wipe it up immediately and rinse several times with water. Hair, textile and food dyes can cause permanent stains. If dye should happen to spill, wipe it up immediately with dishwashing detergent or an all-purpose cleaner. Never place pots or dishes directly from the oven or burner on an unprotected laminate surface. Such extreme heat can cause cracking or blistering. Do not work with oven cleaners on an unprotected countertop. Wipe spills away promptly and rinse several times with water. Rust removers contain harsh chemicals which will quickly cause permanent damage. If a spill occurs, wipe off all residue immediately, wash thoroughly with soapy water and rinse several times. Steel wool and other abrasive pads will damage plastic laminate. Don't use them for cleaning and don't store steel wool pads on your countertop. The metal can rust and leave stains. Finally, toilet bowl cleaners contain harsh chemicals that can cause permanent damage. If spills occur, wipe up immediately, wash surface with soapy water and rinse several times. Recommended household cleaners: Windex, Glass Plus, Lest Oil, Grease Relief, Dow Bathroom Cleaner with Scrubbing Bubbles, Lysol brand disinfectant basin, tub, and tile cleaner. Dawn, Fantastic, Favor, Pledge, Mr. Clean, Top Job, Formula 409, Clorox, and isopropyl alcohol. Lastly, stay away from products that contain the following ingredients: hydrochloric acid, sulfuric acid, hydrofluoric acid, phosphoric acid, and sodium hydroxide.